Alright, here we go.
Hey guys, welcome to the video.
We're back.
I don't even remember this.
Yeah, I was really lonely this morning without you.
I know, I had to work.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Something.
I think this was a Friday morning. No, it wasn't. The second day was a Monday. Working all by yourself.
Sometimes you gotta, man. That's right. Yeah, this was...
So how does this work?
Well, it works, you know, it works.
Just do one angle and then flip it.
I honestly, you know, hexagon roof framing, it's not really something you want to do every day.
Yeah. I can see why that would be complicated.
Yeah, once you get going though, it's not too bad.
I didn't even know you did this until I saw this.
Yeah, no, it was
I didn't
super
realize
fun.
I was thinking.
Well, plus you're like, you know, you're like way the hell up in the air the entire time, upside down and backwards. I mean, not only is it hexagon and a peak and roof framing.
And 17 feet off the ground.
Yeah, I mean, piece of cake. Piece of crumb cake. Yeah, I really want to get this lighthouse back. Kind of basically gave it away.
Yeah, it looks really easy and comfortable.
Yeah, what's really funny about this, you can't see all the times that I messed up and had to go back down 17 feet, and remake everything and go back up and then do it again. You know, you leave that stuff out.
Yeah, well.
I'm glad it was a nice day that day.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
If it was raining, it would just not be as fun.
Yeah.
Oh, the triangles. Oh, wait. Trapezoids. Nope, triangles. Look at my shiny tape measure.
It's very shiny.
It's so shiny.
Why are you using my hammer?
Dude, I still have your hammer. It's in my garage. I'm ready to get that back.
That's where that it went.
Time for the trapezoids. This isn't the best way to do it, but it works.
I don't think there's any footage of me making trapezoids.
There is. I just left it out.
Oh. I feel like I remember doing that a lot.
I'm just kidding.
It
You
was
did.
really terrible.
You did a bunch of trapezoids.
It's really hard.
You know what's really funny about this? This song worked out perfect for that shot. And this name of this song is Andrew's theme song. The classic dad scenario. He's gonna come home super pissed from work and be like, "Who the f put this lighthouse in my yard?"
It's a lighthouse.
for my
How
dad.
much light are you going to let out if your window's only 12 inches? You know what I mean?
It's so true.
Facts.
8 inches of this.
8 inches of this.
That worked out pretty good.
Dude, it worked out so good. Totally use strings for whatever you want, man.
Yeah, for making circles especially.
Well, yeah.
Look at that cool thing.
Yeah. It's like a boogie board.
Dude, it is.
Singing like tombstones.
Boogie.
You could like sit in this window and tell a tale.
Production.
That's right, mass production right here. Assembly line style. I feel like that was like probably the most work we got done in one day that day. Got a lot of stuff done. Besides maybe the paint job.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it must have been.
Yeah, we just did paint in one day. Most of the day actually we
I think
painted.
we had 4 days into. I think I had 4 days into this. I don't know how much you had into it.
Yeah, just a few half days. I think if you put all the days together, it was like 4 solid days of work.
We'll totally live in there. Yeah. Well, no. The results. And so, like, what we can do is just, like, one of the days this weekend, if you have some time, we can just, like, paint the shit out of this thing.
It's good if you play on regular.
Yeah. You don't ever win.
It's like ridiculous.
Yeah.
I won like the first game and I was like, woo, man, I'm a Scrabble master. And then like 50 games in a row I lost.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
He got wrongfully imprisoned.
He did.
And like,
And then they had to shove it in his face by making him the gamekeeper the rest of the time. So he gets to stare at all the magical folk and watch them learn.
yeah, and he can't ever do magic anymore.
Yeah.
Or he's not supposed to.
Yeah, he got the shaft for sure.
All because of
Can't believe you're in there.
Tom Riddle.
Yeah, freaking Tom.
Yeah, I'm in there. You can't even see my head.
Lighthouse prison.
If you know who we're talking about, comment down there. Both names.
Water delivery. Here it comes.
Is it coming right here?
It's coming right in there. Yeah, nice. Pouring paint. Pouring paint.
Pouring paint.
Remember when we stopped at 7-Eleven and got some Slurpees in between paint?
Oh yeah, that was great. Yeah, dude. It was hot. There's a lot of surface area on this thing.
It actually surprisingly is. 3 gallons of paint, I think. A little less than 3. No.
Aisle 6, right next to the
Now.
boards.
Oh, they do have coupons for this.
It looks great.
Yeah. It turned out pretty well. I'm stoked.
You knew it was gonna turn out like that?
No. It turned out way cooler than I thought it was going to turn out.
Watch the eve on the eve there.
I still don't understand how you guys did that.
Special thanks to Justin from Make Build Modify. Check out his channel. It's pretty awesome. He makes all kinds of cool stuff. And also a special thanks over to Dennis Egley from Dennis Egley Construction. Got some good work done thanks to these guys. Couldn't have done it without them.
Well, I have a feeling we're gonna be spacing that one up with blocks.
I wasn't there. Conveniently had to work.
Conveniently.
Because very conveniently.
Yeah, it looks easy. It's not. But you can do it. Here he is. Here he is. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Awesome!
Yeah, he likes seaside stuff.
Thank you! Oh my god! I can't believe it!
We did it. We did it. I mean, 17 foot high to the peak lighthouse. It's amazing. It stands here before us like it was always here. We reassembled it. We brought it here over the freeway, out of town, brought it to this town. My dad's property for his 60th birthday. He's super stoked. We already made some improvements. We got it up above the ground on pier blocks. It's moisture resistant. We got the shingles on over the tar paper.
Shingles!
So it's all completely rain proof. It can stand here in the rain, no problem.
More shingles.
Pretty soon it's gonna have even more improvements. There's gonna be plexiglass added to the windows. It's gonna be painted on the inside to be completely moisture resistant, along with the floors on the bottom and the top. As you can see right here, to protect any of the cracks above the doors.
Eve.
It's also been caulked in the seams all the way around with some silicone caulking.
Cock!
It's still amazing on the inside, as it ever was.
The inside has over 200 cubic feet of storage area.
Super storage.
Super storage.
Storage.
Pretty amazing. It's all cross-braced.
More storage.
It's good to go. It is semi-permanent.
Weather stripping.
Although if we ever wanted to move it, we still could, because it does come apart in a few pieces like when we brought it here. Also, we put gravel and plastic on the ground below it, so it does have a vapor barrier. And it's pretty much just really awesome at this point. Is that it?
I think so. Back over here.
It's cold.
Why won't you let me out of my tower? You never did let me out of my tower.
This was a lot of fun to build, and it was
Completely irrelevant.
Completely irrelevant.
Completely irrelevant.
This is pretty irrelevant.
It's totally irrelevant.
You could say it's completely irrelevant. Irrelevant.
And just remember, in the vastness of space, this is
Completely irrelevant. Just remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked our cool lighthouse.
More projects and adventures to come.